My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Tohnichi. It is called like that because it encrypts files, changes their extension to Tohnichi, and creates the how to decrypt files file in a folder containing the encrypted files. So currently I'm able to open my files without any troubles at all. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office files and others. But in reality, after the ransomware is started, it immediately begins encrypting your documentation, and basically it may encrypt all your files that you cherish most of all on your computer. So your pictures, your music, your Microsoft Office files may be encrypted, and the ransomware then demands you to pay the special ransom in order to get your files restored. However, in reality, there is no point to pay the ransom because these people are criminals, and there is no guarantee that they would keep their words. This is this scary alert that says how to decrypt files. It says that all files on Tohnichi network have been encrypted due to insufficient security. Obviously, the main purpose of this ransomware is to get money from you. But as I said, the ransomware developers do not guarantee that you would get your files back. So currently we see one music file that has already been affected by the ransomware, and you can clearly see that this extension Tohnichi has been added. The point is that removing this extension does not decrypt the files. It still remains inaccessible, and you cannot open it anymore. And that's the trouble. So we recommend you to immediately refer to the special solution that would help you to remove this ransomware. Our recommendation is that you go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then start analyzing your computer. The program Combo Cleaner will help you to detect the malware and ransomware on your computer and to protect it from further threats. After you successfully download and install the software, you'll have three scan types to choose from. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. So you'll click on Start Scan button, and then you'll find the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning, by the way, will take, well, at least several minutes, depending on how infected your computer is. Combo Cleaner will give you the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scan. It will show you the type of threat and the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. And by the way, you'll be able to remove each specific threat manually. However, Combo Cleaner gives you the best way to deal with such threats. You may remove them automatically by upgrading to the premium version of the application. Premium version of the software gives you the chance to use features like anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with premium version you will be protected from all sorts of contemporary threats, including ransomware. This way your data will be constantly protected, and you may not worry about the safety of your private information, of your important files, pictures, music, and other information you store on your computer. So consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner to make sure your system is free of all kinds of current infections.